Hi guys, it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV. Today we are going to be going to pick up a ply floor whilst I go with my son to watch Bristol City. You might be able to see him in there. Whee! Okay guys, so I've arrived at Infinity Customs in Bristol. I've just picked up my 12mm ply floor. It's all one piece. You can see the guys have just dropped that into the back of the van for me. They're actually just in the workshop cutting me some new 6mm ply panels for the rear quarters as well, because I'm not going to have windows in those. We'll just have a little quick look at those cutting those panels for me. So this is the workshop at Infinity Customs. You can see behind me they've got a couple of CNC machines just here and here, and you can see just over here they've got a bit of 6mm ply that they're going to start cutting some rear quarter panels for me, which is going to be great. And so we'll just have a little close up watching these guys cut that for me. As you can see, these are cut really well. So these are 6mm panels. The cut is perfect for the shape of the van. So these will basically get screwed on. Obviously with them doing like this, there's no wastage of the panel of wood that they're using afterwards. So yeah, super pleased. If you're after any ply panels, then check out Infinity Customs, link in the description. I'm really looking forward to getting this all trimmed out. Actually, George at Captain Seats is going to be trimming the van, so once I've done all the installation stuff like that, we'll be going up to George to go and get these little bits sorted out with the rest of the trim after the pop top roof is fitted. Whew, so much to organise and get sorted out. And so these guys do all sorts of different things. They actually make like these little beds that you can see at the back there, which basically get you set up as a camper van for less than a couple of £100 with a kind of really practical, simple wooden bed. So I'll leave a link in the description to the website for Infinity Customs. They're one of the best places you can go to, particularly for one-piece ply floor. They do Infinity Halo roofs as well. I'll just see if I can show you. So just inside this van they've got a little Halo roof, which I'll just show you here. So these guys make all sorts of bits and bobs. They can actually cut your own furniture board or ply for you. They've got all sorts of templates on their CNC machinery as well. It's well worth checking out their website. They're great guys. They're going to be helping me out with some of the practical bits and pieces I need for this project, which I'm really thankful for. It's great to know that you've got people on the end of the phone, know what they're talking about. The guy that actually is the owner here and runs it, like his trade is a carpenter. He's been a carpenter pretty much all his life. And so now he's doing this and he does a wonderful job. Okay guys, so you can see that panel, it literally just goes straight in there. That'll get screwed on there once it's been trimmed. Really looking forward to doing that in a future video. And then if you just look over on this side, we've got the same for this other rear quarter as well. One of the things I just wanted to talk to you about, what's quite important is when you're getting a ply floor, is really you want to try and think about how can you get a ply floor without having a nasty great big line down the middle, or even getting one of the ones which I had in my old van, which was actually, it had 3 lines in it, so I had one down the middle and then one up at the far end. I know some people have hidden the line behind the units on this side, but I just wanted a one-piece ply floor. There's not many people that do them, but there are a few in the UK. I found Infinity Customs, and actually the reason I chose them was because they're in Bristol. Cheltenham will play in Bristol City, and so I thought, well, that kills 2 birds with 1 stone. But also the other thing as well is having checked out Infinity Customs, they're linked with so many other companies. They work with Skyline, other companies as well, and they've got a really good reputation. And so I'm really pleased with that. Obviously one of the main things, everything that you've got is going to go on your floor. Once your floor is down and all your units are in your rock and roll bed, you're not going to be able to pull everything out to fix a floor you're not happy with. In my last van, that's what happened. I had a bit of a line down the middle. No one really noticed it, but I knew it was there, and it drove me mental. And so really, just to get this bit done right the first time is highly important. Obviously underneath this floor I've got to do all the insulation and stuff, so it's not screwed down. It's literally just laid in here so I can get it home, then pull it out, put it in the shed. So that's the road trip to Infinity Customs all finished. If you've liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget the links in the description to Infinity Customs on all their social media stuff. Give them some love, go and give them some GDUBTV love. And guys, please do subscribe, like the video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers guys.